This is a FPV drone, and if you wanted to build one of these, you might need to know how to solder one of these. This is a flight controller, right? But if you wanted to see better of the solder pads, you might want to get a microscope. And that's exactly what we are going to look at today. Let's get going. Alright, so before we begin, I just wanted to make a short disclaimer is that Joylines did send this digital microscope kit for me to review, but I am not getting paid or whatsoever for putting out this video, nor I am affiliated with them at all. So if you see any links at the bottom along the way, it's just for the product reference purpose. It has nothing to do with me, so feel free to click it on your own desire. Okay, so done with this, let's unbox this box and let's put it up for operation. Let's go. Alright, let's open the box to see what is actually included. Okay. Alright, so since we have unboxed this thing, let's put it up together. Alright, so based on the manual, I think this is going to be our column. And we're just going to put it up like that. Okay, so this is called the beam. And I think you basically install it like this. Just put it from top, plug it in, and you just tighten it up. Okay, this way. Okay, that's it. Okay, next we'll take out this monitor-like thing. Basically, you have to flip it down like that. Unscrew the screw to remove the lens, okay? Untie this, plug it in. How much does it go in, by the way? Okay, all the way down. And then this time we're going to put back the lens. Next, we're going to take out these little metal thingy. Okay, so I think this is supposed to be the place where you clip the stuff to secure it. Okay, let's see how you do it. Alright, then that's done. Alright, so once the installation has been completed, we're just going to go give it a quick test to see if it actually works. Personally, I think the A lens just going to be work okay if you're just planning to solder basically PCB boards. It should be just good enough. And if you wanted to see additional, like a little bit clearer, I don't think in this hobby you're going to want to see each cell of your body, so this should be good enough. So we're just going to demo that. Okay, let's pull out a brand new AIO to just take a look. Okay, so we're just going to put it under the screen. Okay, you can see that it's all blurry. What you can do is you can use this little turning knob in the middle to adjust the clearness. So you can see, oh, okay, this is actually pretty clear. I'm kind of surprised with this screen. I thought it looks very cheap, but apparently that it looks okay. So if we press this, you can go even closer to it. I don't know why I need this, so wow, this is actually really big. Okay, so the other side goes to, okay, so this is it. And if I press the OK button right here, it's actually going to record what I'm seeing. And if I press the camera button right here, it's actually going to take a picture. Okay, so this is actually pretty decent for my YouTube work because it's much more clear than just zooming in my iPhone. So now we can see like every single thing on the board. This is actually nice. Alright, so done with the demo. Let's talk about a few of my final thoughts. First of all, I don't think there's much I need to say about it because, yeah, the purpose is just to enlarge the image of the thing that actually is so you can see better. This will definitely help me, and I do think this is a valuable equipment for my setup because I do a lot of tutorials, and this would definitely help me show you guys a little bit better of how the thing looks like how each pad, how solderings are done, instead of like just zooming my iPhone and it gets blurry. So this is definitely, I think, something that is valuable for me. But if you're just starting up and just want to build your first quad, I do think this is a little bit overkill because you can see that most of the solder pads are big enough that you will be able to see with your bare eyes. So this is definitely something that you might not want to consider. But of course, if you have the money or if you just have trouble seeing, then yeah, this is something that you can still invest it in. All right, so we're done with the review. And if you're interested with this product, I have leave the product link and the description below to purchase or not, or to decide if it's worth it for you. It's completely up to you. I have no affiliation with them, so feel free to click the link as many times as you want. It doesn't matter at all. All right, so if you have additional questions or additional comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.